In this video, I will show you how to set up Selenium. Let's search Selenium, Selenium Python, the first website. In the installation part, there's a code pip install Selenium. Copy this code, then open command prompt, cmd, then paste it, enter. I have already Selenium library. After you download the Selenium library, close it. Then we need to download one more thing in the Gecko drivers section. There's a Gecko driver. We need to download this one. And there are four options: Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari. I'm gonna continue with Firefox because in my experience, Firefox is working with Selenium more accurately. That's why I'm going to continue with that one. Then there is a three options: Linux, macOS, and Windows. I'm using Windows. I'm going to choose this one. In the download history, we download the Gecko driver, and I'm going to put in Selenium file. Then right click, extract all. You can choose wherever you want to extract. I'm going to extract here. Then I'm going to copy this one. Then I'm going to paste it here. Okay. There is a one more thing, guys. We need to add the path of this Gecko driver to our PC. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Let's right click here in this PC. Then show more options, properties. There is the advanced system settings, environment variables. There's a path here, as you see. Click it here and edit. We need to add one more path. I'm going to put new. We need to copy the path of the Gecko driver. Let's go to file. Gecko driver. Right click, show more options, properties. As you see, the path is here. I'm going to copy this one. Then come here, new, paste it here. Then OK. We add the Gecko driver path and everything is done. Let's check it, double check. Let's double check. I'm going to open a Python idle. Let's try to import the Selenium library. If it is working or not. Yeah, as you see, we import and there is no error. It's working, guys. Thank you for watching.